My name is Kat Francois. I'm from West London via Grenada, West Indies. I have been skating since February 2024, so about 8-9 months now, I think. It took a while to catch the bug, a few months, but probably by about maybe April, May, the bug catch me, and it's been about skating ever since. I practiced, yes, I went to some of the foundation stuff and looked at things like the crossovers, the continuing drills, the balances, and even, you know what I found really helpful, even the maintenance of the skate, like what you call certain things, what you have to do, especially as I've been street skating as well. So, you know, obviously the boots, the amount of time I spend on the floor paying the floor tax, it's important that my boots is in tip-top condition. So that was really, really helpful. So to go back and just go methodically through the basics, I loved all that stuff. I just thought it was really useful, really helpful. Even down to what are the health benefits and the well-being benefits, I just thought it was really, really good. Done in a way that's understandable. We broke it down so I understood. Everything was step by step. Your voice is smooth and soothing as well, which is really nice. So it was really nice to listen to your voice. So it was wonderful to just have a source like that. Like, how do I do this? How do I do that? How do I adjust my trucks? What's this bit called? What's that bit called? How do I do the bearings? How do I move the wheel? All of that is just, it's just such important information. You know what I found really useful was just having, like with the rhythm skating, like what I found really useful was just, right, I know I've got to do the grapevine, I know that I've got to do side steps, the downtown. There was these things to follow because I wanted to do the jam skating before, but I just didn't know even where to start. Like, where do I start? What are the fundamentals? And that's what I thought was useful, just step by step, and you just follow the program. And I also like the fact you can dip in and you can dip out as well. Very user friendly. I knew that it's absolutely and utterly possible to learn something online, but even better, I think in a way, is an app because you can dip and you can dive. So you know you've got to spare 10 minutes and spare 20 minutes, you just go and you find the space. And I think what was nice as well, there was enough moves to do, you know, like the dribbling and the strut walk and those kind of small space moves which you can do in your house. So I think it's a very home-friendly app. And as someone who's a personal trainer and always encourages people to work out at home, I think that's the best thing about it. You don't need a massive space to do some of those moves. Not all of them, some of them you need a bigger space, but there's enough small space moves in there to keep someone occupied for the whole day. Personally, I think roller skating is for anybody and everybody. So I think an app like that, if someone's a bit embarrassed or can't get out because they've got kids or for any reason, you know, things are not always accessible. That's what I love about the online. That app completely accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world, basically, and also affordable if you can't afford to go to the classes. Because you know, not everyone's got the money, times are hard. That app, I think,